is Rebecca, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. This video is an introduction to deferred maintenance and Hexagon EAM. First, what is deferred maintenance? Hexagon refers to deferred maintenance as activities for a piece of equipment that will be performed at a future time. For example, there may be a series of maintenance activities for a piece of equipment. Due to time, labor, and/or production constraints, a supervisor may decide to defer one or more activities that are not critical. These deferred maintenance activities can be created from existing work order activities or created specifically as deferred maintenance records. The deferred maintenance screen is available from the Work menu under Work Order Planning, then Deferred Maintenance. If you are familiar with Hexagon EAM, think of a deferred maintenance record as an activity that is not assigned to a work order. Here I have a deferred maintenance record for my HVAC 01. We routinely inspect the HVAC system as part of our preventive maintenance, but occasionally a technician notices additional work that is required but not critical. So a deferred maintenance record is created instead of a follow-up work order. Periodically, as a maintenance manager, I reviewed the deferred maintenance and assigned to work orders as necessary. In this example, I know I have an open preventive maintenance work order for my HVAC 01. After entering the work order number, you will need to change the status of the deferred maintenance to assigned. Once I save, this will add the deferred maintenance as a new activity on the existing work order. So if we were to view work order 14332, you will see that activity 30 references the extensive cleaning for the air duct. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel to continue learning more about Hexagon EAM and specifically deferred maintenance. Thank you.